I had some other video playing, but whoever the channel, they deleted the damn thing. So I hate that. But this is even better. Home camcorder footage from WWF Wrestlemania 12, 96. This is old, boy. 96. Camcorder footage, those have been long gone. So you know how old, how old this is. There you go, so you gotta fix the tracking. It's loud as hell. Man, this shit is loud, boy. That's Henry Godwin. Can't hardly see his face. I think that's his partner. That's what's his name? Yeah, they were Tex Slashinger and Shanghai Pierce, man. I think that Terry Funk. No, that's Bradshaw. How about Young Austin? How about that? This track is loud as hell. Young Austin.
You're one of the best workers in the world, man. You're awesome.
He said he's trying.
You need to keep bugging Pillman to come in and join you so you guys can do that tag again. That's what I heard.
A young Stone Cold. That looked like Brett's daddy. Looked like Stu. That's I know that guy too. That was okay. It is his daddy. That was what's that guy? The Dumpster. What's his name? Duke the Dumpster. Yeah, Stu Hart didn't mess around, boy. He stretched you in that basement. This is 48 minutes. I'm going to record this whole thing now. 48 minutes.
Hey, Steve, sing to the camera.
Steve said I can't do it.
Do some karaoke some night.
He said, I don't know about that. I have to break your camera. I don't know about that. DiBiase.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, Savio Vega. I remember all this. 96. I remember this era. Yeah, Austin had just became Stone Cold. And I think him and Savio had hooked it up. Yeah. Yeah, this is before. Yeah, this is like I think I don't know if this is before or after the King of the Ring thing. Can't remember, but yeah, this was something because they had some good matches. I remember that because that was rough. Savio and Stone Cold. The young Ahmed Johnson. This is something. And he was built, boy. He had just got into the company then. Yeah, this was going way back. Was that Skip? Candido? Got his back turned. I can't see.
Candido.
That is him. Okay, the guy just said Candido.
Catch the elevator. You got a second.
And Sonny. Oh, they were young as hell, boy. This man was probably like 25 years old. Yeah, let me see.
Thanks, Timmy.
Yeah, probably was. Yeah, that was 96. Yeah, probably 25, 26 years old. Who's that now? Holly, a young Holly with the long hair. A young Holly. Bob Holly. Is that Bart? Oh, that's the Bulldog, yeah. Oh, Davy Boy. Davy Boy and what's his name? Oh, that's his wife right there.
I'm everywhere. Thanks, man.
For the record, I want you to know I can whip this guy any day of the week.
Yeah. Yeah, right.
Is that George? That's George Steele.
You can see it.
Thanks, man.
Fuji. Mr. Fuji. Mr. Perfect. Kurt Hennig. And Mr. Perfect was a big dude back then. Austin. Oh, Lawler. Jerry Lawler. Man, he was young as hell. Everybody was young. Was it 25, 30 years ago? Is that Dustin? He got a hat on. The camera, oh, I can't even see him now. There he is. The camera quality for 96, you know, it's not necessarily blurry, but it's not bad for 96. The guy kept the quality in pretty good shape. It's not bad. Young Marlena.
Look. We can't have the elevators all congested.
Or what's her name? Forgot her real name. Terry? I think Terry. Out of folks, hold on 1 second. I gotta watch some more of this. Hold on. Is that Vader? No, Michael's working out. A young Michaels. Now this is old hair because Michael's got the long hair. Big Van Vader. All right, stop right there. This 48 minutes. I might make a part 2. I'm gonna see some more of this, but gotta take this call back. But yeah, this is something, man. It's 96. Let me see who was Rusty. Michaels had just got the belt from Brett. Ahmed was new. Austin was new. I think Bulldog and Owen were about to be a tag team. JBL was new because he didn't dye the hair yet. And yeah, that was so you could keep going. This is something else.